everybody, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and in today's video I am going to talk about 14 important full forms for new programmers. Number 1. ALGOL, Algorithmic Language. Number 2. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Number 3. XML, Extensible Markup Language. Number 4. CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. Number 5. JS, JavaScript. Number 6. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor. Number 7. VBS, Visual Basic Scripting Language. Number 8. ASP, Active Server Pages. Number 9. JSP, Java Server Pages. Number 10. AJX, Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Number 11. J2EE, Java 2 Platform Enterprise Edition or Jakarta 2 Platform Enterprise Edition. Number 12. SQL or SQL, Structured Query Language. Number 13. XSL, Extensible Style Sheet Language. Number 14. SAP, System Analysis and Programming. Thanks for watching. Like the video and comment your queries and suggestions. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell. Stay tuned.